Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to password protect Gallery Android. Here are two basic methods for you to password protect your Android gallery. First method, use built-in phone features. Secure folder. Enable secure folder. Go to your gallery. Now, since I'm using Infinix, they have a feature called Xhide where you can transfer image and videos you want and use password to protect the image. Now, let us tap on the Xhide. Follow the prompts to set up a PIN, pattern, or password. Since I already set up my own, let's move on to the next step. Once set up, open secure folder or pictures, then tap on the plus button, then rename your new album, then hit done. Now tap on the newly created album, then tap on the plus button. Choose a gallery that contains your preferred picture, then toggle these checkbox if you want all the photos to be moved, and finally, hit confirm, and you can move your gallery photos into it for password protection. Last method, App Lock. Go to Settings, Password and Security, App Lock, or Privacy, App Lock, depending on your phone model. Set up a PIN or pattern for locking apps. Once you set up a PIN, lock your gallery app or any photo app to restrict access with a password by toggling this on. Both methods allow you to add an extra layer of security to your Android gallery and keep your photos private. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.